Welcome to our channel. Today we'll quickly show how we dilute our Castile soap paste. We first use our dilution calculator to input soap weight and concentrations, which provides the necessary water and additive measurements. Then we're ready to go. We add our paste to boiling water, ensuring we remove as much of the paste as possible. Next to the paste container, we add a small amount of hot water and scrape the sides. We cover it, and after about 15 minutes, the excess paste is ready for transfer to the main pot. We now let the paste dilute. After a few hours, the paste has almost fully diluted. Remove the excess paste pieces, dilute those, and add to the main pot. Our liquid soap is now ready for the final step. Strain the contents from the main pot into a new container, and the soap is now ready for use. Thank you for watching.